Welcome back, adventurers. We are here at Animal Kingdom, the day before Thanksgiving. All right, we're gonna go in and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Not really, but you know what I mean. We're gonna have fun, right? Today, it's just me and the big guy. No one else. Not Mommy, not Brent. Just me and David hanging out.
Brent didn't want to go, and Mommy has 2 appointments.
Yeah, Mommy's working day before Thanksgiving. And we're gonna go in Animal Kingdom and have fun. Come along with us on this adventure. Put your finger.
Wait, don't move. Hold still. There you go.
Oh, finally, the finger worked.
Yeah. You just have to wait till it turns green. There. Thank you. Have a good time.
Hey, Daddy.
Thank you. Ooh, the walking vine tree is back. I read about that. It's the first time we're seeing.
It's pretty. I don't know, Mommy. I don't know how to make.
Alrighty, as you can see, it's a beautiful day here. Beautiful weather.
Daddy, do you smell that?
I smell that. It smells delicious here. Unbelievable. I'm not sure where it's coming from. Maybe that direction. I know they got barbecue. It smells like barbecue in the air. Pulled pork barbecue is what I'm smelling right now. That smells so good. It is very crowded here today. I think this is one of the more crowded times in the last couple years I've actually ever been to Animal Kingdom. Just based on the parking lot and what I see when I come in here. People everywhere. Day before Thanksgiving, busy week. Oh yeah, first time we've seen these. We haven't been back since they erected these.
I can wink now.
You can wink now? Good job. David learned how to wink. Flame Tree Barbecue. That's where the smell's coming from as we make our way over to Dino Land, USA. Alrighty, first stop. So we just got some food at Trillo Bites. And here it is. This is the Trillo Bites multicolored ice cream deal.
I remember.
Is it good?
Yeah, I think I had an ice cream with the same taste. Oh, we had this ice cream before.
You did?
It was the free fruit ice cream.
It's good. This is the chicken barbecue chips deal. Yummy. It's delicious.
I think I'm gonna eat too fast. I'm gonna have a brain freeze.
Yummy. Crunchy.
Spicy?
No.
Whoa. Oh.
And we're gonna go check out Disney Kitetails for the first time ever.
Big dinosaur.
Be mindful of all walkways. Today, you will see some of your favorite Lion King friends soar like never before. And as you all know, what goes up must come down. So, you will see them landing in plain sight, both in the water and in a designated landing zone in the adjacent seating area. They take
All right, that was our first time ever seeing the Kitetails show here at Animal Kingdom, and I actually thought it was pretty entertaining. A lot of people have kind of said negative things about it, but it's not a long show at all. It's a great little break to sit down. We got good view, so no complaints there. I think it was pretty entertaining and fun. You know, obviously, there's more than one show, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. That one was the Lion King version. Isn't that cute?
Where's the puppy? Where's the puppy?
Look at the penguins. David, let's go look at the penguins. Come over here.
Do you know where to buy that cute dog? Daddy, do you know where to
Look at the big one.
Oh, this is
How is he, David?
Do you know where to buy these stuff? Do you know where to buy these stuff? They would be I see another one!
That's fun. Nice. Thank you. Oh. They're getting anxious.
Very cute.
Straight ahead. It's the Boneyard Playground. Gonna be busy, I'm sure. You like this place? David loves this place. It was closed for so long. So it's good to see it back open again. All the kids having fun. Good, fun slide.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. We're going on the Harambe Railway Station Wildlife Express. Oh, it's here. Let's go.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch.
Here's Rafiki's Planet Watch. We're gonna go this way, see some animals. Look at these nice animals. Oh, David found a friend.
Yesterday we put the over to this yard and they were all sitting around.
You like that, David? He's soft? Yeah. Ooh, he's soft.
Pop-up bills and have a great time.
Says, let me back in my home.
Look, there's a pig.
You want one of those too? We're gonna get a bigger house.
Just like, you gonna lay down? You gonna lay down?
We'll have a pig.
As you head back out into Disney's Animal Kingdom, we hope you take with you a great appreciation for the very journeys that led us.
All right. Our first time in Pizza Safari. Pizza-fari pizza with pepperoni. Mac and cheese, Caesar salad, free water.
And a free kids meal yogurt.
I was happy they listened to the rules. I said I was happy they
I got a little wet. All right, adventurers. Well, you can see from this video there were pretty good crowds in the most common areas you'd expect there to be crowds. A few places here and there on the trails or out at Rafiki's Planet Watch where it was much less crowds. But the lines for the rides were so long for standby that we didn't even go on a single ride. We just enjoyed the sights and sounds here, and what's not to like? It's a beautiful place, no question about that. And David got to enjoy the playground, which was also very busy, and we got some good food. So that's it. We're on our way. Thanks. Have a happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, and we'll see you in a future video real soon. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button on this video, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.